Welcome to our computer building workshop for project-based learning. The group. It consisted of me, Jack, Andrew, Harvey and Tom, and we were all made up of computer networking students. Our roles and responsibilities included Jack, health and safety instructor, Andrew, equipment officer, Harvey, lead instructor, and Tom, the project manager. So we plan to do our event on the 19th of March. After countless emails contacting Marianne, we finally settled on the date 19th of March. This included the use of the room in the Cantor building and all the equipment in it.
On the build-up to our event, we had to create lots of documentation to get the event in place. This included a sign-in form. So the sign-in form would give us a brief number of people who attended our event. We got a health and safety waiver. So this gave the students just a brief idea of what was going on and the health and safety reasons that they had to sign for. We had to get a questionnaire and a feedback. So the questionnaire and feedback form would give us an idea of how we performed in the event. And the certificate for the people who attended, just to basically tell them thank you for coming to our event and congratulations for completing it. And just a base set of instructions just to give them an idea of what they have to do, so it kind of lets them get to their own devices.
So just a little bit of the foreground before we get started. We've put anti-static mats down just in case there's any damage that goes to the computer hardware itself. No food or drink in this area, please. Remove any jewellery, so headphones and sorry about that. Yeah, rings, anything like that, just in case it interferes with any of the components. We've got wireless. We've got a graphics card, wireless adapters which are in there, and we'll sort of show you how to put them together. We'll give you a little demonstration. If you need a hand with anything, just give us a shout and we'll come over and help you out. Is there any questions? Alright, well that's alright guys.
Obviously, health and safety control stated here. Turn over the step-by-step instructions. It's obviously universal on start. We can't take the heat sink or touch the CPU.
Oh right, okay.
So yeah, I'm going to do I'll explain what goes on in that process, but
Just make sure, just get my fingers all over the components on the actual one.
Yes.
Alright, cool.
Chris.
Anything else you need to know? Are we good?
Hold up, plug in the CPU.
shut it in there, and then attach a little bit of metal on it, like. Hold it by like the metal part, not the circuit.
Please don't drop it, it's very fragile.
Your RAM, your memory, SATA cables for your hard drive and DVD-ROM, power supply, and the motherboard and CPU are already in here. So yeah, that's everything.
And if you need any help, obviously, we'll all be around to help out if you need it. I think I'm missing something.
Thank you for your participation. Cheers, mate. A man. Thank you. Cheers. Harvey. Thank you. Chris.
Let's get a close up.
Stuart. Thank you for that.
Thank you.
Harry.
Thank you.
And finally, Scott. Thank you.
How did our event go? In our opinion, the group event was a success. There was a good turnout of people who showed up to participate. All the students that took part engaged in the activity and walked away having learnt something new. Each of the participants gained a certificate to show they had completed the event.
Okay, so what was the feedback from our group? So reading the feedback forms, we saw that there was a good mix of feedback from all the participants who attended. A lot of this being positive feedback, again showing the group that the event was in fact successful. We also received good feedback based on how engaging each group member was and just the overall performance of the members and how the event went.
On behalf of myself, Harvey, Andrew and Jack, I'd like to thank everybody who came to the event, and thank you for watching the video.